guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be retouching our hair. So with me we have the Vaseline. Yep, can you see? We have the Vaseline. Yeah, so I use this Garnier shampoo. It works for me. It doesn't cut my hair. It works for my natural hair. So we're retouching. Then for conditioner we use this, yeah, Blue Magic conditioner, argan oil conditioner, like this thing. It works. Yeah, so before now I was using Mega Growth conditioner or leave-in, but it's done. So yeah, we switched to that. So now I use this as my mixing container for my retouching. Yep. Now the winged we're using, yep, Mega Growth's relaxer 6-in-1 touch up. So come along with me while we do this. So I had like a little one remaining. That's half. I usually use 1.5. It comes in sachets like this, so I use 1.5. So this is from the one remaining, and this is a new one. So it's a 6-in-1 pack, so it's going to last you like for a while. The empty container I use to mix it up, squeeze that in. It looks like ice cream. So squeeze that in. So this is what it looks like. We're going to go ahead and mix that together. So we've done that. Go ahead and wear your gloves. Time to perform the surgery. It comes with a glove, but it just comes with only one pair, but it's done or I can't find it. So get any gloves you have, it's going to work. So now we're about to start. So grab your Vaseline, hair cream, whatever you use, and then rub it at the edges. Sorry, I'll be looking at a mirror by the side, so just in case I'm looking elsewhere, just rub it on your edges all around, including your ears, like the tip of your ears. Like this serves as a protective layer so that it doesn't burn your skin, just in case it comes in contact with it. So be generous with it. I like to rub at the back of my ear too, because you know, can mistakenly touch there. Yeah, now the first stage is done. Go ahead and pat your hair. I like to pat mine into 3. It doesn't have to be a perfect pattern, you know. If this is your first time of retouching your hair and it's a virgin hair, please use more of your fingers for the pattern. You don't want to rip your hair apart. You tie it up. So I kind of do a little weaving on it. That. The front side. This. So it's like doing little pigtails. 3 pigtails. So once you've done that, if your hair is actually on the strong side, you should know the texture of your hair. You will know whether your hair is actually on a very strong coarse, strong side. You know, you should start from the front, because you want the front to be really retouched and relaxed. But if you know your hair is like, you know, you just rub it a few minutes, it's going to be relaxed. You don't want to stay so long. It's on a finer side, or you know, less coarse side, you should start at the back. So by the time we get to the front, you know, immediately you're done applying the front, you just wash it up. But for like people like us that we carry ours for like some minutes to activate the relaxer, I love to start at the front. So just whatever works for you. You can start at the back, you can start at the front. So I'm going to be starting in front now. And tip number 1, when applying the relaxer, don't apply on your edges yet. Let your edges be the last part that you're going to apply the relaxer on. So you're going to go round. Massage it in, but don't scratch your scalp. Then this way, separate with your fingers. You apply a relaxer. So you're patting with your fingers and then you're applying the relaxer on it. I don't know if you can see me and if it makes sense. Please do not scratch your scalp. If it's your first time retouching, or you retouch, you're someone like me that retouches our hair like once in 6 months, be generous with your relaxer. You go one last one and then you massage that in. When you're massaging it, do it with your palm. You understand, like you're rubbing it. Don't scratch your scalp. See that? Do that for like a minute and then you roll it around. Time to do the other part. And if you know you're very sensitive to relaxer and your hair is actually on the fine side, you should actually be a bit faster, more time conscious, I would say, so that you don't start rubbing it maybe midway or halfway through it, like your scalp is already burning, like it's feeling so hot that you can't take it. And once you get that feeling like it's feeling so hot you can't take it, just wash it off at that point. So as you can see, I'm not applying anything directly on my edges. Then go ahead, pat with your fingernails. Because of the way I'm massaging, see that it's already spreading. So the first time you're going to do it, your hair might not come out with the texture you want it to be. Just keep trying it. You're going to get used to it. This side, apply more. see that while I'm massaging it, like it's spreading to the front of my hair. So you see why I told you don't, you know, rub it on your edges. And because your edges are quite soft and delicate, it will end up burning. So now we've done this, I'm going to go ahead and get a wide tooth comb. Start from the down part. Always start from the tip while combing your retouched hair. Start from the tip. So you start from here, you go up, you start from here, immediately sweep. This way, you're not pulling your hair. So you see that? See how free it is now? So when you get to this, gradually, don't pull on your hair. So the first combing should be done with a wide tooth comb. You see how freely it is now? Don't start with a small picking comb or, like, you know, a tight tooth comb. I should have a towel, but please have a towel on your neck. Thank you. I'm going to bathe after this, so no worries. And be careful so you don't get this in your eyes. So you see how free it is now? Like I'm combing freely. No. And then repeat the same process over here. Say it one more time. Start from the tip. You move. You move. Keep moving up. Don't come and start from here and then start pulling it. See how stuck it is. But you're doing it and it's moving. Now, if your hair is like the stubborn type, you want to be extra, go ahead and do this small comb. Do not comb your roots. Please do not comb your roots. The scalp, sorry. Do not comb your scalp. Do not comb your scalp. Your scalp is very sensitive now, so please avoid that. Don't comb your scalp. Carefully. Trust me, by the time you do follow these steps and processes like properly, your hair will not burn. Then put this back there. You see why I say you do not have to apply a relaxer on your edges. It's going to spread to that place. And by the time it will now spread, it will retouch evenly without burning your edges. You see how the small comb is running on its own, like very easily. You take that out and still reapply. We're just going to go ahead and wrap it up and we are done. So now you can just go ahead and rub a little bit of relaxer on your edges. So see the amount of hair. This little hair is what we lost after combing a hair that we've not retouched for 6 months because of this technique. You see, little to nothing. So that's just the little thing. So go ahead now and apply to your edges, because I'll just leave mine in for like 5 minutes. But if by this time, you know, you're feeling that burning sensation, just go and wash it off. Go and wash it. Go and wash it. Just read the instructions on the type of relaxer you're using, how long they tell you to carry it. Just follow the instructions. So 5 more minutes. Now I'm rubbing it on my edges and smoothing it back. So any place, my edges, the back of my hair, I feel like I did not get. You see? So this is easy peasy. Now you don't need any excuse to say, I can't retouch my hair. It is very easy. It should not take you more than 30 minutes. Okay, highest 1 hour, because you're just doing it for the first time. So you should have a towel so you can wipe your ear when you rub relaxer on your ear. So yeah, fold that up. Because I'm not the one seeing the back of my hair, definitely you might miss like a spot. So this is the time for you to catch it. So especially the back of my ear, I always miss it. So I'm always conscious. Just when you're doing it, you know, don't be so hard on yourself or, you know, wanting it to be perfect, because you're not the witch. You cannot see the back of your head. So yes, you cannot see some parts. So just do it, take your time. And always remember, once it's hurting or burning your scalp, or you're feeling that burning sensation, go and wash it. Just go and wash it. So now look at the hair. 360. Did I miss any parts? Tell me. I hope not. Yes, so I am going to wash this off camera. So while washing, I'm going to first of all wash off the relaxer, read the instructions, wash off the relaxer entirely from my scalp, like till the water that's coming out of my hair is like clear. Then I'm going to go in with my my shampoo 1 or 2 times to wash it off thoroughly, you know, massage the scalp. And then I'm going to go in with a normal conditioner. If you don't have a normal, then this is a leave-in conditioner. Then I apply this leave-in conditioner. But whenever I apply this leave-in conditioner, I cover it with a shower cap, you know, and then leave it to air dry. Then we're gonna style it. So yes, let's go do that, and I'm gonna be back. So this is my hope you enjoyed this. I hope you enjoyed this. So please don't be afraid to say, oh, I'm in a new place, I don't know who's going to retouch my hair, you know, you're looking tattered. It's not in 2025, babes, not in 2025. Then for our guys, you know, you want to have that rough coils, loosen coils, and just apply it, the relaxer, comb it out for like 5 minutes thereabout, wash it off, and it has that, you know, loose coils for 4C hairs. Like you can do this. You can do this, you know, take care of your hair yourself. Yeah, so wherever you are in the world and you're afraid that I can't do this, I don't know who's going to retouch my hair, I don't know who's going to do this, babes, subscribe to this channel. Let us show you how we're surviving. You can do this. You can do this. So yes, see you in my next one, loves. Bye.